Okay, guys, what can I say, huh? The Pit Boss is doing great. It's been great all summer so far. We've been doing a lot of smoking and grilling and everything. It's time to grill some chicken on the gas barbecue today. I haven't used that thing in about a year, so I'm going to crack that open. That's got a gas line connected from the house to the barbecue, so it can be on all the time. I never run out of gas. I don't have to fill up a propane tank. It's the best way to grill. So anyway, if you guys need sauces, barbecue season is happening right now. So go to cookingwithjack.com and you can order my sauces through that website if you want. But in the meantime, I know a lot of you like KFC and a lot of you get the Nashville hot chicken, but a lot of you get the Georgia Gold chicken. So we're going to be doing the Georgia Gold barbecue chicken. You guys ready? Come on in close. Let me show you the ingredients. I'm still debating on whether to peel the skins off or not. I think I'm not going to. But you can pull the skins off if you don't like the chicken thigh skin. Well, right here's the chicken. Then we got salt and pepper, oregano, apple cider vinegar, garlic, and we got onion. We got molasses, cayenne pepper, Dijon mustard, regular mustard, butter, Worcestershire sauce, and that's it. These are the ingredients that go into your Georgia Gold chicken. Can't wait to get on the grill. The great thing about sauces is you get to put everything all in one bowl and then mix it all up. And that's what I like. It's the seasoning and the liquids. So let's get the liquids in first. So we're going to start with the mustard. There we go. Then we'll start with the apple cider vinegar. Time for the molasses. Now I always pour a little extra. This asks for like a certain amount of molasses, and I put extra because it always coats the bowl, and some always gets lost on the coating. You will notice that. Same with the honey and the molasses and the mustard. So here's your honey. Here is your Worcestershire sauce. Now I'm going to take the butter and zap it just for a few minutes. It's almost all melted, not all yet, but it will be once I stir it up. And here is the garlic, onion, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper, oregano, all in one dish. All our seasonings. Take this, mix it up. I'm going to set this off to the side and we're going to get the chicken ready and the barbecue. Wow, I haven't fired this thing up in quite a while. But I got all my chicken here and I'm going to start putting it on the grill. We're going to cook them up and then we're going to sauce them after they're all cooked. All right, once these chickens are cooked, we're going to either dunk them or brush them. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. But once they're cooked, I don't have to worry about cross-contaminating them. It's 82 degrees and it couldn't be more beautiful back here in the backyard. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, that's even better. Right there. That's a sweet. I don't know what happens, but all my chicken skin came off. It always does on thigh meat when you barbecue on the grill. So I just got them all naked right now. All right, I've dunked all the chicken. Look at how beautiful that looks. It's all Georgia Gold now. And there it is, Georgia Gold chicken. You ready to dive into this? Let's do it. There we go. You can see fully cooked, looks beautiful. Plenty of sauce on there. Let's give this a try. This looks amazing. That's awesome. That's just like Georgia Gold chicken. It's got the stickiness, got the sweetness. It's got a little tang with the vinegar in it. I like it. A little heat with the cayenne pepper. It's all good. And it coated so well on the barbecue. Some of you don't like grilling on the barbecue. I did it for the film's sake. I normally don't grill on the barbecue. I take it up hot and then I dunk it. And then let it caramelize with the heat of the chicken. But just to show you, I wet it out there and I got my grill all dirty. So I got to go clean my grill. I will see you on the next episode. I love you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.